Welcome back, everybody. I am with Jana Borba and Letty Rodriguez with Wind Wolves Preserve. We're in Studio A. Forgive me if I'm a little bit shaky. We also have another guest right here. What's this one's name?
His name is Lalo.
Lalo.
Yeah.
Okay, well, he seems very friendly, but I'm glad he's on that side right now. You guys are here to talk about the festival going on at Wind Wolves Preserve this weekend. Let's start out with the Reptile Talks that you're going to have, because that makes sense why you brought the snake. Tell us a little bit about those.
Yeah, so we're going to have these Reptile Talks. We're going to have several different things going on. Reptiles is just a small part of it.
Right.
We'll have a Reptile Talk that'll be about twice a day. We'll also have a reptile booth that people can check out. But we have several other things going on. We have a restoration station going on. We have kids crafts, nature crafts going on, just lots of things. There'll be hawks there. Clapper sticks demonstration. We have many exhibitors that are going to be there. There's going to be food vendors. Just a good time for all.
Right. So there's also a lot of stuff going on, but the best part about it, in my opinion, is that it's usually going on during the super bloom. But since it's so great this year, what are people expected to see here?
Well, when they come up, you know, we're still waiting for most of our super bloom to come in. Okay. We have a lot of grass coming up, but there's those hidden gems in the grass that you can find. They're there. You're just going to have to hunt for them a little bit. We do have a wildflower loop people can go on. There's quite a few flowers on there, and the flowers are just coming up on our hills around.
Very nice.
The preserve.
And there's going to be some exhibits and exhibitors. Tell us about who's showing up to this.
So we have several different ones coming up. Like we're going to have, I mean, one of my favorites is that we're going to have a virtual reality booth that actually shows one of our rock art sites that we have on the preserve. So that's one not to miss. But we have several mineral societies that are coming out. Buena Vista Natural History Museum, Calm's going to be there. You know, Cooperative Extension is going to be there with some insects for the kids to see.
That's awesome.
So it's just, you know, you need to come out. There's just so many.
Absolutely. And Letty, I want you to tell us a little bit about our friend that you're holding here and what we can expect.
Yeah,
from the Reptile
his name is Lalo. He's a gopher snake and he's native to Wind Wolves, so he's very important in our food chain as far as all the reptiles go. So
did you find him at Wind Wolves?
Yes, we found him as a young snake, and he's been with us for a long time. He's up there in the 20s, you know, which is really old for a snake. But he's been actually held by thousands and thousands of kids. We're outdoor education naturalists. Yeah. And so we use him as part of our programs.
So held by thousands and thousands of kids, that's why you feel comfortable bringing him on live TV?
Yeah.
Wow, I feel like a total wimp if I'm not holding him. Thousands of kids have held him. Okay.
You'd want to?
Yeah, I'm getting a little brave, but when he moves his face, that's what freaks me out, you guys.
But he's got such a cute face.
He's very
I know.
cute.
He's just very loving.
I was like getting really close to holding him, and then he started really wiggling around.
Or you can pet him.
Okay.
How about one finger? That's how with the kids we usually start with one finger. He's not slimy.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry. Awesome. Okay, sorry. I don't want to scare him.
I don't think you're scaring him.
Okay, so the best part about this is that it's free. So tell us a little bit about why you guys started doing this a couple years ago.
Well, this is our 6th annual Spring Nature Festival, and we started it just to get people out. Yeah, everything's free at Wind Wolf, so we just want to, and we were kind of like one of those best kept secrets. Right. And this is one way to get us out there, let people know we're there. We're open every day of the week. Right now we're open from 8 to 6. Another good thing about this is the first year we're going to offer transportation. Awesome. Free transportation. So if you're in Delano, you can go to the DART station. If you're in Bakersfield, you can go to Golden Valley. That's great. If you're in Arvin, you can go to Arvin High. So every year we're adding more, we're getting bigger and bigger.
Right, absolutely. You guys, thank you so much for coming in, and thanks for bringing our little friend and making me a little bit braver.
Just one more touch?
I'm okay. We'll be right back.